Future Testing AM. I forgot to record an intro for this video, so today we're gonna just go thrifting again, you know what I mean, with my friends. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
I'm vlogging. Right now, I need you to take a chance.
I've never turned right there.
Bro, hear me out.
What's up?
A gay son or a thought daughter?
I want a thought daughter. Listen. I want a thought daughter, a smart daughter that thinks thoughts. Think about it.
Thoughts.
Stay woke.
Thoughts.
Stay woke.
Woo! Look at that, baby.
This is my new work. I want to see my new work.
You're serious, bro. This guy's a living NPC.
Hey, give me the keys real quick. I'm gonna tell you what. Just give me the keys.
Don't do something.
I have my knife in my pocket. This guy has a metal detector. Hello, people. I'm gonna be taking you on a journey. Yes. I'm just gonna find some stuff.
Flannels.
Yep. He's a flannel guy. Cute cornballs. Yep. Everything. Yeah, he's ready to spend on everything, everybody and everything. I'm gonna bring him like a whole fit. He's gonna give me all of this. I'm so excited. What do you? Here's some blazers. You just like. It's just not a blazer.
Trust me.
Listen, I'll trust the price. If it says 230, I'm leaving with nothing. Because what do you mean 230? These are cool. These are some little yachty ass pants.
So I'm saying, you can't thrift with someone. Hear me out. Don't go thrifting with people. Because you're gonna find something.
And then they're gonna take it. That's why I said, let me take them on a journey, show them what I find. Hey bro. I'm gonna have to go find something for myself. Ladies and gentlemen, I just found. Hey, how do I show? Hey, that's what I say. Let me show you what I'm wearing. Hey, what's that? Hold on. Is that a black tank? Hashtag need that. But let me show you the jacket that I found. Look. Hey, he doesn't get it. I'm having so much fun. It's 150 as well. Sure, why you lucky? Like, come let's try some stuff out. I'll let you know. Come, let me tell you what I found. There you go, boy. Hey, you see this? See this with like some big jeans. You feel what I'm saying? The silhouette. Think about the silhouette.
Don't
You need to think about the silhouette. You need to think about the silhouette.
No, that's delusion.
He's thinking. Listen. He's not listening. Get him. Leave, bro. I'll listen to you, bro.
You don't understand, it's cool, bro.
You feel what I'm saying?
I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of beat up.
It's a thrift store.
Yeah, but it's like to the point.
Ladies and gentlemen,
you rock this.
who's gonna tell him? This is calm actually. This isn't even beat up. This is the wrinkle on the leather. That's leather wrinkle. That's dead animals.
No, but look at this. Look at the color and stuff. It's kind of cramped.
Man, what is he?
You know what I'm saying? Here it's
Nigga came
finished,
to the
bro.
thrift store. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you see what I mean? So it's like.
No.
would
It's
be
more
hard.
sacrifice to pay for the thrift. Let me see how much it is. 200. Hey,
You show him, bro.
I need that black tank though.
Bro,
I lost mine. Nah.
This thing is hard.
It's huge. That's what it is. Hold you. I wanna try it.
Aesthetic.
James, why didn't you tell me we need serious money here? I mean, I was like, huh?
You set us up. Where are you pointing? You set us up, bro. You set us
It's a
up.
setup, wait.
Listen. I only
like
go
a
to
fitting
nice
room.
place. Nice place.
It's fitting. I might need these.
Ready.
Your phone, take a phone.
Boy, it's the... Focused on the rug. Worry about that.
That's the point. It's the silhouette. It's the silhouette. This isn't for wearing it. Is this for females?
Yeah, this is the females.
Nah. I love this.
This is nice. I might... This guy next to me is gonna send. Anyway, this guy's been held hostage. Now this lady's trying to fit him and stuff. That's just the problem with being tall, man. Everybody wants to talk to a nigga like me. I don't have that problem. Okay, now we're talking. What's this? Nah. Okay, no. What the heck? Oh man. The further we go, the worse it gets. Okay. Nah, but the thing is too thingy. I don't think any of my speakers.
You want something like this,
These are so sporty.
but
Those are huge. Those are huge.
Are you a big boy that you got it? You got it?
You can make into Jorts.
Yeah, you got a vision.
Then buy Jorts, brother.
Yeah, you can make Jorts.
Then buy Jorts. Jorts are cheaper. Bro. Nigga like me, I don't even have money. I'm just trying on clothes.
Like 2G.
Having fun.
Bottoms.
He's an interesting guy, man. Him as well. Always rizzing up the old ladies. Do we still say Riz? I think I've said that word in months. Oh, battery.
I think this was a little bit too big. Do you
Yeah.
think so?
And you don't seem like the type to wear big stuff.
Yeah. I want a shirt. I want like a church shirt, bro. Yeah.
Why don't you just wear shirts to church? Normal shirts.
Nah, I need a proper shirt, bro. It's gonna add ambiance.
I'll be dressing up to church. I'll be dressing like a fool, like a hobo.
Nah, it's too little. I want them exaggerated like crazy. So if you get like a 40 something. Yeah, it's tapered, bro. Even though it's
Why do they create tapered jeans? Ew.
for old men, bro. Oh yeah, guys, I'm looking for white flannels or those church shirts that you wear. So yeah, that's the plan right now. I think I just have to like scope and really look and think. Bro, this place is so fire. Check this out. They got barrels and stuff. You know what I mean? That's how you know this place is legit. I think this is the only shirt that I really found that's actually fire. This stuff that's My goals of being an old man are going out for real.
So I've been informed we're gonna do a little challenge where we make a little fit. I'm a simple guy. I like simple fits. Okay.
Side note, we ended up not actually doing the fit check because literally the store was about to close. So yeah, sorry about that, guys. Next time, yeah? Next time, I got y'all.
So I'm gonna get me some other jeans. These are so peaked, man. Oh my goodness. What's up? Slide. Oh man, that's a nice shirt. Oh man. It's kind of big, but oh man, it's nice.
It's a small.
What does it say? What does it say here? Tits fans. Eats France. Yeah, you need this. You need that. Let's just minus what I said.
What is this? What is this?
That's actually very nice.
What is this for you?
Let me back up a little bit. Just a little. Listen, what is he doing? Such an interesting guy, this guy. It's perfect, brother. I need to stop zooming.
It's giving.
It's giving.
That's clean.
No, it's actually clean. But then again, I'm not a fashionista. I just like wearing clothes that I like. So. You say what, my boy?
There's random guys just looking at us.
Those are my friends, bro. Don't call them randoms, bro. I talk to them about clothes and stuff, bro. Like, those are my buddies. We're gonna go hang out and get ice cream after this. So, like, put some respect on their name, bro. Huh? That they really like your fits, bro.
Dog, please take this thing off. This guy's gonna steal this thing. Please.
This?
No, boy. Like, you've been wearing it. Please take it off. Like, how much is it? Listen what I'm saying.
Guys, these things are too big, bro. Guys, these things are too big.
Upside down. That's the point. Right. No. This is. You guys don't see it. I'm in 2020.
I'm borrowing this from you
I'm in
every day.
2035. You're in 2020.
Every day I'm borrowing. Every day I'm borrowing.
Look it up.
Even.
Find the good things. Come with me, bro. I'll find you.
Baby, yes.
And it smells nice.
It smells nice.
Let's smell this. What's it?
Hey,
I'm gonna hit them with that dad vibe.
hit them with that NDT.
Papa Tesh.
Oh, this thing is itchy, bro. It has a full-on zip. Come on.
Put that back.
I'm gonna try it on and put this in. I'm gonna put this in all the way. Hey, this thing is heavy.
This guy's head's too big.
Yeah, do it.
Tesh, come look at this guy.
Let me help you out.
Touch, okay, like stand here and touch your toes. Like this. Just do that.
Yo.
Just do that. Like, do that. In that standard position. You're not gonna do anything weird. I swear on my mom. I swear on my mom. I swear on my mom. On my mom. Just do it. Trust me. Okay. Smile around.
How do you feel, bro? You are dominated.
Your mother is dying tonight. Funerals next week.
Love my mom. I don't have. Bro, I'm tiny, bro.
Yeah.
This thing is tiny.
Go ahead, hand it over to her.
Me?
Go ahead.
Don't
Squeeze into
force,
it. It's
boy.
fine. Squeeze. Squeeze and then feel more disappointment when it doesn't fit. Squeeze.
I'm out. I'm out to the lights.
And he's ready to get our Friday. Our Junkie Friday started.
I'm so mad. Fuck.
This thing is nice.
This is more you, bro. This is more you, bro.
That's what I said. That's what I said,
I
bro.
think cash when I see this, bro. I think you just take that or put it back. Nobody's gonna take it for this. It's
This thing
okay.
is so nice, bro. I'm passing it down to you.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of too small for me.
Run that. Oh geez, Notre Dame. Fighting Irish. Okay.
Oh,
Try it on us.
no.
What? Listen, no such thing as tiny. What do men say?
Bro, they had a Lotus jacket.
Yeah, I don't know about the Lotus. I don't know about them ones there, brother.
That's some good stuff. Basically like a Ferrari.
Oh, for real? I found a Bugatti jacket at the other thrift store. Swear
This
dog.
thing is tiny. Would I just rock this like this? It's too tiny.
It looks too like squashed. I'm sorry. Muscles, big muscle. Stay right there.
That's crazy. This thing is hard.
Double-sided jacket. Nike. Fleece on the outside, windbreak on the
rand.
inside.
80
And
rand.
it's $80. Wow.
I'm like,
Whoa.
where's the mirror? Oh yeah, it is. Yes. This low-key kind of hard. But wait,
James, we still need to go fit this stuff. Krapaz.
we'll tag it out.
Black. You brought it in. Inside out, but you need to like clean it properly. Yeah, overrated.
You look like a pimp, daddy. It's too small.
You look like a pimp.
You have to say daddy, you have to say pimp.
Pimps are so ugly.
Are we ready to go?
Wait, hold on, we have.
Yeah.
Let's buy army
That's what I'm saying.
jackets. These jackets, they just look.
I'm actually like down for that. These are the first things I saw when I came.
These jackets.
Not gonna lie, I feel like you might get funny looks.
Don't worry.
Huh?
Push it.
What's the next spot? What's the next spot? Follow me.
Okay. I don't know where we're going. Ooh, vintage.
This random lady started yelling at me.
She wasn't yelling, she was asking me a question. That's how certain people be, bro. They talk to you with aggression. With the grippers out as well, my brother. Now this is a thrift store. Abibas, 300. Hey. Yep.
I should have looked the other side. Oh wow, bro, look at this.
Oh, but it's vintage though. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the price. I have to.
How much?
This though.
Thank you, kind sir. Top of the morning to you. They're calling taking up to brand new tractor. We can walk or we can go faster. How are you, partner? This place is actually so fun. It has actual vintage stuff. Bro, Sandy will be so happy here. There's so many bike jackets here. It's actually so bizarre. Because there's nothing nice for us, normal people, who don't rock things.
just the hand.
You can cut it.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
This is kind of hard. I like the tank top and the pants.
See, I believe, listen, gentlemen, when you don't have money for the nerds, you convince N-words to buy things that you want. That way, because he lives across the street. Anytime I need it, I'm on it. Anytime I need it, I'm on it. I am a Machiavellian villain. I'm really like, yo.
Bro is literally planning on robbing me, but it's fine. You know, friends, what are friends for?
What are friends for?
Are they gonna pay the 106?
We must pay. You know what you must do? This is actually kind of cool.
No, wait, let me get front
Compare.
seat. You get front seat first.
Nah, it's okay.
Nah, let me get ox.
It's okay.
Let me get ox.
It's okay.
Sash, please connect to your phone.
I'm trying to put you guys on,
Two?
but these guys don't want to.
No, they're still bent down.
I burned down, bro. I'm sorry. Damn, I just have a feeling. We went to the thrift. Anyway, we went to the thrift. I tried on a lot of things. I figured out I have a love for leather jackets. That's really cool. Kuzo got some stuff that I'm gonna wear. You know what I'm saying?
But I gotta wait first.
Yeah. See, I don't go outside, so I don't need to wear it.
We brothers, brothers in clothes.
We look the same as well. So like,
I mean, like,
you know what I'm saying?
that's another me.
Sure. You know what I'm saying? Sure. But yeah, Tasha, you happy about what you got today?
Yeah, facts, bro. That jacket, honestly, it was the best thing.
Yeah.
Hey, man's going crazy.
Hold on.
My boy is going crazy. He's enjoying life. Yeah.
You look back as well.
Everything was so fire.
Yeah.
The pants that I got, best purchase I ever had. Not gonna lie.
I shouldn't have tried I should have tried some pants on, but I was too focused on the jackets. We found a NASA
The white
jacket,
guy
Marvel
in
jacket, we made some
front.
new friends. His name was
The white guy in front of the black people at that
That's on
back.
you, bro.